Well, I've been challenged. So, the challenge was to put the pepper in my mouth, chew it for 30 seconds, and go 10 minutes without eating or drinking anything. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pull it off, so I guess we'll see. But anyway, it's a dried pepper, so shouldn't be quite as bad.
What kind of pepper?
Oh, ghost pepper, by the way.
I'll tell you when your time's up.
You have such great friends.
I think that was 30 seconds.
Mm-mm.
Okay, that's definitely 30.
Mm-mm.
Whew. So,
30.
I might have swallowed a little earlier. There wasn't much left to chew. And I'm getting the heat hiccups already. Starting to sweat.
I wonder how long it would take for your glasses to come off.
Might as well leave them off.
Oh yeah. This is going to be a tough challenge.
You hold it for how long?
10
10.
minutes. And so, my eyeballs are already watering. Nose is starting to run. Mouth's on fire. Wow. I had a little bit of a sore throat this morning. That doesn't even matter right now. Wow. I couldn't imagine a freshman. Todd, you're... Wow, I hate you now.
You're a mean man, Todd.
I think it's funny, Todd.
Whew.
I think you need to place the challenge back to him. Once your brain isn't on fire.
Wow. It hurts to breathe.
Can't decide whether you want that on or off.
No, I can't.
You ain't breathing fire yet, so you're good.
Maybe I shouldn't be sitting in front of you.
Whew.
Keep talking.
So, I did the habanero challenge a while back, and that was tough. The heat from that is nothing. Nothing compared to this. Wow, I can't even think to talk.
What are you feeling right now?
Nose is running. Throat is just on fire. I mean, it's still getting hotter. It's not even peaked yet. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Really, to be honest with you.
Maybe now would be a
Well,
good
you're
time.
at 3 minutes now. Since
Maybe
you
now would
ate
be
it.
a good time to explain what you have ready over there and tell them why.
Alright. So, I'm picture sweating. Basically, what I got here is white rice. It's supposed to,
Cooked.
yeah, it's cooked white rice. It's supposed to neutralize the acid. I got milk, helps to neutralize it. Bread also, and
Tea.
tea, which doesn't help at all.
The white rice does actually work, and it was taught to us by a Chinese man.
Yes, a Chinese guy. Uh, well, my wife has friends that run a Chinese restaurant. They're obviously Chinese, and they say that's what they use. And I've seen it work, but yeah.
It does work.
So I got probably another 5 minutes to go.
Not even. I mean, not even close.
Wow. It's starting to level out a little bit.
Eat another one.
No way.
That's a challenge.
I think we should challenge him and turn the camera around.
No kidding. I do have two. One for you.
I got places to be.
But yeah. I don't think I can cut it. I'm gonna drink.
Wait. You're at 6:10, 6:20 right now.
If you can make it, you're almost there.
4.5 more minutes.
Todd, if I have to bring him to the emergency room, I'll be sending you the bill.
He'll be alright.
You're a beast.
You know, I actually ate a scorpion pepper that was cooked. It was actually cooked and stuff. And it was fresh. It wasn't quite as intense as this. I mean, my brain's on fire. I can't even think to tell you guys what to expect. So,
It's hot.
yeah, it's hot. So that stuff's actually going to be in the description.
Do you recommend anyone else do this?
I don't recommend trying this. No. It's only for the. It's not for the faint of heart.
What about the faint of heartburn?
It's,
Yeah, I definitely feel a little heartburn.
you got
going
3
on.
minutes.
3 minutes and I can eat and drink. I hate you, Todd. I hate you. Nothing but love after this is over, but man, I hate you right now.
Think you gotta hate yourself for doing it.
Yeah, I hate myself for being so committed. My brain is on fire. It's cooked. And I'm sitting here looking at this milk and this rice, and it's just pissing me off. So, runny nose. Can you go get me a napkin?
Yes.
I feel like a fire-breathing dragon.
Puff.
Puff, puff.
2 minutes.
2 more minutes, and I can eat and drink.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I've only got about 12 minutes of memory on that, so I can't really drag it out after that. So, whew. Sorry, I really don't want to blow my nose on camera, but I kind of have to.
Careful you don't start that on fire.
Yeah.
Why do you have to look?
I just want to make sure my brain's not in the teepee.
Or his nose ain't bleeding.
Yeah.
This ain't as funny as that one, that dude on the porch who rabied.
Oh
That's
my God! I
great.
saw a guy get tore up. Yeah, that's the guy. He ate a habanero.
Jason, take your glasses off so everybody can see how red your eyes are.
My eyes are red.
Oh, yeah.
Oh wow. There you go. That's because all the blood's going to my head trying to warm up. It's like 38 degrees outside right now.
Got about a minute left.
If I walked out there, you'd probably see steam rolling off me. I'm trying not to touch my face either, because I didn't touch the pepper itself. I touched the stem, but you know they did come in a plastic bag, So I'm sure they've
30
touched the
seconds.
stem. So.
He's got a little past the 30 though, Kiefer, because he didn't eat it at first.
I know, I got it. I know what it is.
So yeah, and I'm gonna do as little editing of this as possible because I mean, editing will probably take away from it, and I don't want to be called a liar. I want to say I did the challenge and I beat it. I'm telling you right now, it's tough. So don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. I'm at home, and I'm psychotic. So that's all there is to it. I'm a retard.
Beast.
I don't know about a beast, but I got a beast in my stomach right now.
10.
So, yeah.
You're really close, Jay.
Yeah. Everybody I've seen talks about how they feel like they're gonna puke. I don't have that. I've eaten a lot of hot peppers, so I've I've trained myself over the years. But this is the first one I've eaten this winter, so it's kind of got me. The habanero last summer, man, that was nothing because I'd been eating hot peppers all summer, training for it. This one, it's got me all out of whack.
That's it.
So
You're on it.
I'm good to go. I can eat. So I guess I will. So I win.
Yep, it's reading 11:47 when you took that drink.
All right. Cool.
Stop.
Sure.
Oh shit.